Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to use Phi divider to shape an eyebrow. So here is the divider. It has 3 different points. So you place it on a flat line. Mark 3 points, point 1, point 3. To determine point 2, you just have to push this up a little bit. So this is point 2. And then flip it to the other side. You place number 1 on 1, 3 on 3. So you're gonna find number 5. This is 1, this is 3. And then for finding point 6, it's going to be between point 2 and 3, closer to point 2. This is 6. And to find number 4, you just bring it a little bit down here and out. This is 4. So now you connect all the points together. Point 1 to 2, it's going to be a little bit curved down. From point 2 to 3, it's going to be curved out. So point 2, it's the highest point on upper line on the eyebrow. To connect 4 and 5, just bring number 5 1 point down, and also point number 6, you can bring it 1 point down, and then connect them together, curving down. And then from 5 to 6, it's curved opposite. All the way to number 3. And then from 1 to 4, you just connect them. So this is one side. To find the other side, you can use the same measurements, 1 and 3. You keep the same measurements, you're not changing it, and then flip it, put it on the other side. So you're gonna have number 1, 3, and 2 goes up here, and 5 right here, and 6, it's between 2 and 3. This is 4. So now you connect them the same. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, and 3. Okay, so now we found the shape, like symmetrical shape. It might not be on the paper here, but you have to do it on the real face. You have to make it symmetrical eyebrows. So we use a Phi app that shows different lines. So you have the second opportunity to find the symmetrical eyebrow as well. This is with the divider, and then Phi app is another thing that you can find out if eyebrows are symmetrical or not.